Okay, students. So now my screen is visible to all. That is Jupyter Notebook. Let me know once again. It is visible to all.
Yes, sir, it is.
So first question that is we have from the unit number 4, that is model number 4. So finding square number. Okay, find a square root. So how to find a square root? Can anyone give me idea? Find a square root of a number. Okay, of a number. Yes, please tell me how to find a square root of a number. Please, anyone tell me how to find a square root of a number. And today we will some various method by which we will know and how to find the square root of a number. But I need the answer from your side. So please, first student, you will start. Yes, please. Tell me anyone who have any idea.
Sir, we can put power 1 by 2 star star 1 by 2.
Yes. Okay. You just okay. This is
Sir,
this
there
is
is a
the
function. Sir, there is a sqrt function.
So we can also import maths module and then we can use sqrt function.
super brilliant. Oh, okay, you are all on the right track. So one by one I will do according to you. So first we have first number we have, I'm taking over here only, I'm just taking 8. Okay, if I need to find the square root of a, how I can find? So it is very simple idea. So sq num. Okay, I'm taking this variable sq num. And what is the simple concept? One student told me, sorry, we can just make the power of this number by the 1 by 2. So I can write like this one. So one more, and after that I need to print the ASCII number. Okay, now this would be the our one simple program. Okay, the finding of square root of a number without any function. Okay, let me know, let me write here without any function. Okay, now is it clear to all the logic? Only just do one thing, just make a power of the such number by the 1 by 2, then you will get your answer. Okay, so this would be the our one logic. Now is it clear to all or it is visible to all? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so good. So I'm running this program and now I'm just need to know the square root of 8. So definitely we are getting the correct answer, that is a 2.82. Okay, the square root of 8 would be the 2.82. Of course, 9 9 will contain the 3. So definitely the it will be around the 2.82. So it is right. So it is good answer. Second question, I have also having the same thing from the this function, finding a square root of a number using a function. Okay, using a function. So what I need to do, it's very simple idea. Using a function, it means using a built-in function or a predefined function. So in the here we have the two options. Either we can define own function, or here we can use existing function. Now tell me what I need to do first, using existing function or we should define your own function.
So define own function.
Okay, define own function. So before jumping on that part, let me clear to just what are the various or existing functions. So first we will do. So according to the student, finding square root of a number using a user defined function, using a user defined function. Okay, so this would be the our new program by which we can say. So what we need to do, first we need to take a number. I'm just taking by the input keyboard right now. We can directly assume there is no issue. As per your requirement or as per your need, what you want to do, you can do. So enter any number. Okay, so I'm just want to take the input any number, so I can take, and this number I need to pass into a function. So what is the function I'm taking? I'm taking the function name like the sq num. Okay, this would be the my function. So I am passing this value over here, that is num. After passing, I need to define the function over here. Define sq num. This sq num should be same as it is here. I'm taking any variable, so you can take the as a num or you can take the any different variable, so you are free to use any number. So I'm taking the x, okay, for understanding purpose. After putting this, so what need to do over here, I just need to define the complete calculation of the finding the square root of a number and return the result value by this function, and the sqnum function will get the result. Okay, so here I'm just doing the same thing whatever I did over here. So it is very simple idea. The uh, we can say result. Okay, result will be what value, that is x we have, and here we have the 0.5, and we need to return this x, this result. So whatever result that is to be computed x into x to the power 1.5 or x to the power 1 by 2. So that is to be written, and finally we will get over here, and that is to be written. So definitely some variable is required. So r would be a variable in which the result or store result or information to be stored, and after that we will need to print such value. So print r. Yes, now tell me any doubt over here, then you can ask me. Any doubt you are feeling, sir, we have some doubt, then any doubt in this code, any doubt in this program, then you can ask me.
सर
Yes, tell me.
सर वो रिटर्न रेस लिखा है सर, उससे क्या होता है सर? मतलब उसका यूज क्या है?
Result.
रिटर्न
Okay, so I'm just coming this point. What number you want to take? Tell me. What number you want to take?
सर 10.
10. This 10 number will be passed over here. So in this function, we can say it will look like this one. Can I say? The SQ number, the 10
Yes
will be
sir.
passed over here, and here x, what does will contain by the x, that is 10. Now tell me, am I right?
Yes sir.
Okay. And in this 10, what we need to do calculation, this it would be like result into 10 to the power. Okay, we can say like uh, I'm just writing English word so you can understand. 10 to the power, we can say 0.5. Okay. So after calculating something, a result will contain some value. And if I'm just doing over here, so what does it mean? It will return, it will return the value, okay, value which is hold by, which is hold by res variable. Okay, so whenever your this function is returning, so this function is a category of the function which returns something. So this function is known as a returning function. Okay, returning some value function, and we have seen this function into the defining the function part. So when this function will return something, so into the r, okay, so we can say the into the this r will get the result. This will get the result from the res value. Okay, so ra result of the or the information which is stored into the res variable, that is copied into the r variable, and after printing the r will print it over here. So this is the point.
Okay
Uh,
sir.
Now can we run? Now can we run? And now tell me, what is the square root of 10 value? What is square of the 10 value?
3.16.
3.16. Let me check once again. So here I just need to take the value 10. So after pressing 3.16, we are getting the exact answer. There is no issue. So this is known as finding the square root by using a user-defined function. And we're truly speaking, into the examination, I can ask such kind of the question. So you will have to ready for such kind of questions. And now finding the square root of a number by predefined functions. Okay, so I can write this statement by simple concept. The student who are very lazy and they do not want to use something this kind of the code. Okay, finding a square root number using predefined function, or we can say existing function, a Python library, into the Python library. So it is very simple idea. How we can do? What we need to do first? We need to import math. Okay, this math is what? This is a math library which is to be imported by the Python, and through this math library we can use sqrt function, and we will get directly any square root of any given number. So number I am taking over here, just 9, say 9, and the how to get the result. So it is very simple idea. The how to get math dot sqrt, and what is the value? That is num, and that value should be print directly without any problem. So we can write print directly into the print function. So we will get to So this is simple math method security. And now tell me 3.0 we are getting. If I'm putting here the 81, so let me check the square root of 81. That is 9.0. Of course, we are getting the correct answer. So this is why which this is known as the finding square root of a number using existing function. Okay. Uh, use by math library. Okay. So this is a simple program. Now is it clear to all? These three different logic is clear to all, or any doubt you are having, then you can ask me. Please, you can ask me.
Clear, sir.
No doubt over here.
No, sir.
Okay, so
No, sir.
finding square root of a number using existing function by math library. I'm just need to know the another concept. Finding the square root of a complex number. I'm just little bit doing something change over here. Finding a square root of a complex number using existing function by math library. Then how you will write? So this is my simple logic. Now tell me, yes, please. How to find the square root of a complex number? This is a very good thing into the Python we have, and that is not feasible into the C and C++ and Java programming in simple way. But into the Python, it is very simple way we can get it. Now, please tell me how to find the square root of a complex number. Please tell me. Any student who have any ideas, please tell me. Or can you tell me what do you mean by the complex number? Yes, please tell me what do you mean by the complex number?
Which contain real and imaginary parts.
Okay, good. This is the two good point we have. Another student who want to speak something about the complex number, you are free to speak. Please speak.
Imaginary number is defined by iota symbol.
Okay, so
Sir,
can I write the number is equal to 1 plus 2j like this one? This is a complex number. Can I say?
yes, sir.
Okay, if I need to find the
Yes, sir.
okay, if I need to find the square root of such number by a simple concept, just like the print function, then if I try to do then what I will get. So just check this one. Print. Sorry, just let me first import math. Okay, and now see what would be the result. Print same thing I'm just doing here, only the uh, sqrt, and I'm just passing the num. If I try to run, will we get the error or will we get the output? Now tell me, will we get the error or any output?
Error.
So what kind of error we
Error,
will
sir.
have? What kind of
Type
error
error.
we?
Type error.
Since now this is not a number. Okay, this is what this is a complex number. Okay, so this is a complex number. This is not an integer value or not a floating value only. This is a complex number. If you're trying to get the complex number, square root of complex number by the math library, so we will get error. So let us check first again. So it is okay. Now can't convert the complex to the float. So we are getting this point because we have the complex number and that is not easy to convert to the float. So this this sqrt function under the math library will not do well. Okay, so how to resolve this problem? Can anyone tell me how to resolve this problem? If you remember something here or you have some idea? Yes, any student who have any idea, then please tell me. Yes, please tell me you have some idea, then you can speak anything. No idea? Shall I update this program by my logic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so instead of the this simple math library, we can use cmath library. Please keep in mind we have the another library which is named the cmath library, that is complex mathematics. So what we need to do, we need to use C and nothing else, and just run the program and see we are getting the convert complex to the float. We are getting the again.
Sir,
So
type cmath dot.
no cmath, no cmath dot sqrt. Sorry, this is the value. Now finally we got the output of the complex number because we are using math everywhere, so we have to use a C math instead of the math. Okay, so we are getting the our output. This is a complex number, square root of the complex number we are getting. Okay, this is a new thing you are learning from the my class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
so good. So finally we got the result and we have seen what are the various method by which we can get the square root of a various kind of the number. It could be complex, could be non-complex number. Okay. Now tell me, everything is clear to all? How to find the square root of a number? Everything is clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.